Today we can learn how to create dramatic black and white images in Photoshop in just 1 minute. So all we have to do, go to image and then calculations. Now it already gives you a black and white version of your image. Now we need to choose a blend mode which is dramatic enough. For this example, I'm going to choose overlay. Now you can play with the channels of source 1 and source 2. So for the top one, I'm going to choose green, and for the bottom one, I'm going to choose blue. You can play with it and see what looks great with your image. I think I'm going to change it back to multiply because multiply looked amazing. You can also play with the opacity if you want to. I'm going to keep it at 100 and make sure the result is new channel and then hit OK. Go to channels and see a new alpha channel has been created. Now make sure the alpha channel is selected. Press Ctrl or Command A, Ctrl or Command C, come back to layers and create a new layer and then press Ctrl or Command V. Now you have the black and white version on top of it. If you want, you can create a curves adjustment layer and make it even more dramatic, just like that. So that's how to add drama to your black and whites.